I'm now. Okay, we're getting ready to take our canoe trip. This is Melanie and Roger, who brought me along, loaned me a kayak. So, and this is the ramp we're going to take. Oh my God. This thing is so tippy. Here we are at starting Sugar Creek, and here's the bridges. We just put in at the public access, which is across from the private one that we always do. All right, everybody say hi. I got you on camera. Hi. All right, I think I'm zipping it around. Is this experience? From experience? Look at these rocks. Those rocks are cool. Look at that. Oh, really? All right, you talked me into it. I got to get one of these. I'll probably get like that green one. Who uses this one? You guys? Oh, really? I mean, I kind of like it because it's a little challenging. It's like, oh yeah, don't lean. Nope. Coming close. Sorry. Dang. Sorry about that.
And then you can probably pull still soft off of it too.
You can, and it'll run for hours, like 2.5 hours or something. So I don't know what this thing is. Looks like it's a.
Go scuba diving with it, and you just leave it running the whole time.
Oh yeah.
And then you go back and you get the pictures out of the video.
I've done that before off my drone, taking still pictures, and they're pretty good. When they're 4K, it's 4K.
Yeah, mine is a 4K. It's night though. It's not a GoPro.
Oh, at night?
At night.
Okay, we're going to dodge the people here, so. doggies. Hi, buddy. Oh, a husky. Beautiful dogs. All right, I'll get you guys coming through. I got my camera going. Here they come. Melanie and Roger. I guess I'm gonna have to I'm getting in the way now. Here we go. Big alcove inside the rock there. That's beautiful. All those ferns growing under there. I'm running a movie. Beware, the movie could be running at any time, so don't be picking your nose or anything.
Well, I would, honey, but Todd's in the way.
I'm moving. I did wear my hat though, so I'd look adventurous. Man, this is a popular thing to do. This is I guess if you live up here, it's the thing to do when it's hot. The thing about the kayak is I don't know if I could drink a beer doing this. I think I'd end up flipping it over.
I think you'll change your mind when you try the combo.
This bridge isn't as good a shape as the other one.
This isn't the one you parked at, is it?
Surely not. It's been 49 minutes, 2.45 miles. So this is not the covered bridge that we were looking for. These were not the covered. Uh-oh, I just knocked you. This bridge is worse for wear.
Let's go down a little further.
First break, 1 hour. All right, now who brought the beer?
Probably you, not us.
No, I didn't bring any. Darn it. I should have though. All right. Nice shady sandbar.
Wasn't me. them giant dirt Dobermans?
I didn't.
They murder dirt Dobermans.
Oh yeah, those are. I don't know how they do that. Get up there and get enough mud up in one spot to make a nest. That's crazy.
Small
The snakes aren't going to crawl up there, that's for
spit
sure.
out.
Yeah.
They get small bites of dirt and they go up there and they spit it out.
Okay, the great Sugar Creek waterfall is what we're calling it. Oh, yep, there it is. That waterfall. Uh-huh.
I'm going to take a picture of it, and then when I get home, it's going to be like, this is a terrible picture. I'll just delete it.
It will be terrible, but I got video of you taking a picture. That'll be fun.
If it's in the shade, I can try to...
There it is. There it is. Oh, yep, I see it. I'm hitting already. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh, it gets shallow up here, looks like. Maybe the very far end. I don't think there's anywhere except for the far side, maybe. Oh, she went that way. Looks like that's it. All right, we should call somebody, get some help. Well, look at you just going right on through. See, look, she found the right way around it.
This is a get out and portage.
I know.
Well, I thought we'd done pretty good so far.
Well, we can sit here till we lose weight. All right, yeah, it ain't gonna work. Yep. Oh, I hate getting that.
It rained and the water went up.
Yeah, it might rain. Oh, well, good. I'm taking video of this too. No, now mine's floating.
Yeah, it's just fat ass in there,
I think so. I think you're right.
Anything you take, 100 and whatever miles out, it'll take off on you.
Don't tip it. All right.
I thought you were going over, Mel. I thought you were going over.
Oh, look, they up there. That was, we just missed this horrible obstacle back there. Everybody slammed into each other. We'll see how this one goes. You think this is it? What? Let me get here. Let me help carry. Go ahead. We're going over there. We're not allowed to use the steps. It's the prettiest one.
Oh, I don't know. I like the blue. Wait.
All right, so now we need to get you some keys.
No, we'll go over here.
You need to make it back. Okay. See you guys in a half hour or so.